Hello and welcome once again to our Microsoft Excel class. This is part of the series where we are teaching how to use formulas in Microsoft Excel. And so we want to share another example today of how to use a formula called lower, proper, and capital to try and reshape how these names that we have on the screen will look like in case we want to do something like mail merge, or we want to clean up or reformat our data. So to do that, remember that from previous classes, we said to start a formula, the first thing we do is that we use the sign equals to. And so we'll do equals to, and we will do something like proper to get the proper way of making sure that name is projected in the right way. So we'll click on proper, and I'll click on first name, and I'll click on tab or enter. And then you will see that it has brought out the first name for us in the proper way. To also make sure that I cover the surname part, I can drag this, and you see that I have the surname. Now, to cover the rest of the names, I can then drag this down to do this. And you see that we have that in the proper way of doing things. So I will color code this just to show some difference for us. And I will try to use another formula here where I will say I want to make everything all caps lock. Now I'll say is equals to cap or is equals to upper. And I will put this here and I'll press tab or enter. And you see that it made everything all caps, full caps. And then I can bring it down here. Now, let me say, for example, I want to make it all lower case and not uppercase like we have here. I can still do that again when I change this color here once again to color blue, and I'll say is equals to lower, and I'll select first name again, and I'll either press tab or I press enter, and then I will drag this, and it will give me the one for the surname, and I will drag this down once again. Now you see that it is very simple to actually use just any formula that we want to use in Microsoft Excel to do anything such as data manipulation or cleanups, as the case might be. Now, if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video that we will be having that will speak to another topic in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.